Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we have a banger, even better. I modified the Versa, guys, smaller. I added another stabilizers right in the middle. Goodness, and wait till you see what else. I'm gonna jump right into the reason I want to have my goggles is because I want to test this antenna right here, guys. I don't know if you can see it right here, this antenna. I want to test it out. It wasn't working for me, so we're gonna give it a try. It's not dark enough for these lights yet, but we're gonna keep it right in front of us. There's no wind at all today either. Wow. Too much reflex. There you go. I use the same amount of reflex that's on the Spear. This is a 70% of the Versa, guys, blunt nose Versa. She's flying phenomenal. Wow. Those vertical stabilizers right in the middle make it very tight, guys. It does not, it doesn't wibble and wobble in the air like it usually did last time. Can't see the lights very much. But I got another battery, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna just fly this. This is the maiden. We're gonna check it out, and then the other battery we're gonna try it again. But I can see it a little bit in my eyes. Wow, guys, it's very stable. What you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Wow. Let's try to get it to come straight to us. I barely have to trim her. Wow. Gotta watch this golf course right here. And this is a 3S. I got a 945 prop on there for slow flight. See those roll rates? Why not? Wow! Guys, that was amazing. Look at that. No stabilizer, no nothing. Well, not, I mean, you guys know what I mean. No gyro in there. It's just so smooth. Let's try and invert it. Yeah, I could definitely do it. It's a little dark up there. I forgot to bring the remote. I should have brought the remote for the lights. Forgot the lights change color, guys. That would have been a nice effect. Try to get a low pass again. Invert it. Wow. That's beautiful. I honestly wish I could catch her because I do not want to land her in the grass. But I also do not want to land her in the dirt. So now I'm running a 1300 kV motor, 2200 milliamp battery. I had the 35 amp from Flight Test, just so I could power my FPV gear setup with the extra power source that they have on there. Wow, guys, this is so stable. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Wow, I just messed that whole plane up, guys. I lost orientation. All right. Well, it wasn't too bad. I made it very, very strong, as you can see. So, my little antenna did go down a little bit. Let me see. Camera's okay. Yeah, we're really good. But I guess that was it for today's maiden. That was very quick, honestly. I mean, what can you guys expect? I should have put the lights in the outside, maybe. I didn't think about it being that dark. But honestly, I am going to keep it the exact same way, guys. I'm just going to fix this little tear that's right here. And I am going to, basically what happened here was, you see what happened. It ripped off, guys. Foam, that is not very, I should have put another popsicle stick like I did right here for the motor. It's my friend, Carbon Vanilla. He actually changed his name to Zeal FPV, guys. So he actually had the same issue and it ripped all the way over here to the back, guys. That was crazy. That was honestly crazy. But what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to fix this up and we're going to keep this for FPV, guys. As long as my antenna is real nice and tight in there, which I think it is, we're going to be good. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys think so far of this. I'm going to fix this and tomorrow after work, we are going to try it again. All right, guys. And don't forget, guys, to leave a comment down below to get entered in the contest of the mini FT Flerken, guys, with the motor and the 2 servos. It's something small, guys, but I wanted to make somebody happy because everybody seemed to really like that video. That's the only reason I want everybody to comment, because I want everybody to have a fair chance, so that way I could give everybody a chance to win and I could put you in the spin wheel, guys. All right, guys, stay creative. See you in the next one.